7 common egg mistakes you may be making and how to fix them. Eggs, a quintessential part of many diets worldwide, are often hailed as nature's multivitamin. Their reputation is rooted in their impressive nutritional profile and culinary versatility. However, despite their widespread consumption and the familiarity we have with them, there are several common mistakes we unknowingly commit when handling, cooking, or consuming them. These missteps can compromise their safety, diminish their nutritional value, or even introduce potential health risks. In today's video, we aim to shed light on these 7 prevalent errors. Our goal is to help you recognize and rectify them so that you can fully harness the amazing benefits that eggs have to offer. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal how to prepare the perfect egg to maximize its nutritional value and minimize any potential risks. Mistake No. 1. Washing eggs before storing them. In many households, washing eggs before storing them is a standard practice. However, this common habit can actually be detrimental. Eggs have a natural protective coating called the cuticle, which acts as the first line of defense against harmful bacteria such as Salmonella. Washing eggs can inadvertently strip away this essential cuticle, leaving the egg vulnerable to bacterial penetration. Once inside the egg, bacteria can proliferate, compromising its safety and potentially causing foodborne illness. To maintain the integrity and safety of your eggs, it's best to store them as they come from the package without washing them before. If you still feel the need to clean the eggs, it's advisable to do so just before cooking and using them, using only clean and dry materials. Mistake number 2. Storing eggs in the refrigerator door. Many people store their eggs in the designated egg compartment of the refrigerator door. But this practice is not recommended. The refrigerator door is subject to frequent and drastic temperature fluctuations every time it's opened or closed. These constant changes in temperature can compromise the freshness and quality of the eggs. Additionally, the door is usually warmer compared to the main body of the refrigerator. Prolonged exposure to higher temperatures can accelerate the deterioration of the egg's internal components, leading to spoilage and affecting their overall quality. To ensure the longevity and freshness of your eggs, it is best to store them in their original carton on a shelf inside the main part of the refrigerator, where temperatures are more stable and consistently colder. Mistake 3. Cooking eggs in metal cookware. Eggs are a highly nutritious food, but they also contain sulfur, which can react with certain metals. Cooking eggs in metal cookware, especially made from reactive metals like aluminum or copper, can lead to the formation of potentially harmful compounds. These compounds, including aluminum sulfide and copper sulfide, can be detrimental to human health. Instead, it is recommended to cook eggs in cookware made from less reactive materials such as stainless steel or cast iron. These materials minimize the chances of such reactions occurring, ensuring that the nutritional integrity of the eggs remains intact. Additionally, using ceramic or glass cookware can also be a safer option when it comes to cooking eggs. Mistake No. 4. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. The idea of eating raw eggs might seem appealing in some culinary contexts, but it's generally not advised. Raw eggs carry a higher risk of bacterial contamination, particularly with Salmonella. This bacteria can cause foodborne illness, leading to symptoms like fever, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. To ensure food safety, eggs should be thoroughly cooked until both the yolk and whites are firmly set. This cooking process eliminates potential bacteria, making the eggs safer for consumption. It's important to note that while the risk of contamination is higher with raw eggs, Overcooking them excessively can also lead to nutritional loss. Therefore, it's crucial to find a balance between safety and preserving nutrients by cooking eggs to the point where they are safe but not overcooked. Mistake number 5. Cracking eggs on the edge of a bowl or pan. Cracking eggs on the edge of a bowl or pan might seem convenient, but it can be unsanitary. The rough texture of the eggshells can cause small cracks or chips around the edges, allowing bacteria to seep through. Additionally, bits of shell can fall into the food during the cracking process, further increasing the risk of contamination. To ensure both hygiene and safety, it's recommended to crack eggs on a flat, clean surface like a countertop. This practice minimizes the chances of bacterial transfer and shell fragments getting into the egg or cooking vessel. Before breaking the eggs, it's also advisable to tap them gently on the counter to allow any loose shell fragments to fall off, ensuring a smoother cracking experience and reducing the risk of contamination. Mistake number 6. Eating eggs every day. Eggs are undoubtedly nutritious, but consuming them every day without moderation can pose challenges for some individuals. Eggs are rich in nutrients like cholesterol, saturated fat, and protein. While these nutrients are essential for a balanced diet, excessive intake can lead to health issues. For some people, daily egg consumption might increase the risk of metabolic inflammation and conditions like type 2 diabetes. This is particularly true if the eggs are cooked in unhealthy fats or consumed as part of a high-calorie, unbalanced diet. It's important to consider individual dietary needs and health conditions when determining the frequency of egg consumption. While eggs can be a valuable addition to a well-balanced diet, it's advisable to consume them in moderation, perhaps limiting intake to a few times per week to reap their nutritional benefits without potential adverse effects. Mistake 7. Cooking eggs on overheated nonstick pans. Nonstick pans are celebrated for their convenience in cooking, but using them at overly high temperatures can be detrimental. Many nonstick coatings, especially older varieties containing PTFE or polytetrafluoroonly, are designed to release toxic fumes when heated above 260 degrees Celsius. These fumes, which include polyfluorinated compounds, have been classified as potentially carcinogenic. Overheating nonstick pans not only poses health risks, but can also damage the pan's nonstick surface, reducing its effectiveness and lifespan. It's crucial to use nonstick pans at medium-low to medium heat settings to avoid releasing harmful compounds and ensure safer cooking. Now that we've explored these common egg-related errors, it's time to delve into the best ways to prepare eggs to get the most out of their nutritional profile while minimizing risks. The key to perfectly cooked eggs lies in following a few simple steps. Begin by bringing eggs to room temperature, which helps them cook more evenly. Use quality cookware like stainless steel or cast iron, which provides better heat distribution and doesn't react with egg proteins. To further ensure even cooking, add a small amount of water, about a tablespoon, to the pan. This helps create a steaming effect, cooking the eggs gently and consistently. Finally, cover the pan and cook over a medium-low to medium flame. This approach helps maintain a temperature between 120 and 135 degrees Celsius, ensuring a well-cooked yet nutrient-rich meal. By following these guidelines, you'll enjoy eggs that are not only safer and more nutritious, but also perfectly cooked for a delicious and healthy start to your day or any meal. In conclusion, understanding common egg-related mistakes and implementing the best practices for egg preparation can greatly enhance our culinary experiences while ensuring safety and maximizing nutritional benefits. From avoiding bacterial risks to optimizing cooking methods, each lesson contributes to a better understanding of this versatile ingredient. As we've seen, eggs are not just a breakfast staple, but a nutritional powerhouse that deserves our attention and care. By avoiding common pitfalls and embracing best practices, we can continue to enjoy the unique taste and incredible health benefits that eggs have to offer. So the next time you reach for an egg, remember the insights we've shared and savor each bite, knowing that you're making the most of this extraordinary natural gift.